That we want a win more session. We've got four items in the outbox. You see over there, we open the session. So the first question becomes, what station do we want to transmit to? What node do we want to use? I've often used this guy up in the Catskills, WB2LMV. We usually get good connection. So notice that it's telling us the center frequency and the dial frequency for the station. You can get a list of all of the stations. If we were connected to the internet, we would get propagation information. So this is propagation information as of last night, because I connected when I got home. So it's not relevant, but normally when you get the propagation information, you can see it tells you which stations from where you're located based on your setup. It's saying from where you're located, the stuff with good propagation is going to show in green, the stuff that's going to be iffy is going to show in yellow, and the stuff that they don't think will work is going to show in red. Remember, this information now is about 12 hours old, so don't worry about it. So we'll try WB2LMV. His dial frequency is 7102. Terry, you check the SW1?
I hit the tuner. I didn't.
Should I tune?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's happening. Okay. So this is a standard signal link. You can use a what's that other company that Dan was associated with? Oh, West Mountain. Yeah, West Mountain Radio. I mean, any sound card interface will work. In the setup, we give it the normal kind of information. We tell it the microphone, the capture, and the playback device, which in this case USB audio codec is the win link. I'm sorry, is the signal link. And we'll give it a try and see what happens. Oh, yeah, right. It wants me to register. I haven't registered yet. So let's see what happens. No, there's something wrong with the connection. There's something wrong with the antenna. You sure you got the antenna good?
Is the antenna on?
No, I just took it out of this one. Put it into this one.
Is it like a two antenna switch or?
I don't know. I just, like I said, I just took this one out of the back of that radio. And put it in the back of this
What
one.
power setting do you have?
Well, I think
Not
it's
one
at,
of mine. Sorry.
I think it's at 90.
Yeah, 85. Okay. Because normally with the signaling on here, we get a power of about 30, which works out to be right around there. With no ALC, that's what we were getting last night. So let's try another tune. I didn't like that. We're getting a high SWR. Why, Terry, can you?
I don't know. Is this going right out to the?
As far as I know, it goes. It's the only antenna coming in here 40 meters.
It seems to be.
Okay. You've got all your connector cables connected right on from the LDG to the.
Yeah.
Try to do that.
Maybe they put the beam upside down.
Well, we got enough. We make a lot of contacts.
I don't know. You got your
The first year I didn't
Your
bring
microphone?
my analyzer along.
Oh,
There's always a...
yeah, this is the year you probably could have used it.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
soaking wet antennas.
Let's try it again. See what happens. Looks like it goes out. This is the signaling says it's. Oh wait, no, wait, my fault. Alright, we'll try one more time. I gotta bring it back out of the hand again.
This is disappearing. Little bit by little bit. The whole thing is at least 10,000 calories to begin.
Yeah, we're definitely
So
getting.
you have to eat what's left over, right?
Okay, I mean, that's looking good, but we're not going to connect from that. I think 40 meters is still dead.
My wife, my daughter made is gone. She made those.
Well, let's try.
Yeah, those were good too.
Let's try something else.
We were getting plenty to like western Pennsylvania and western New York.
Okay, so 7092.
In fact, western Pennsylvania was our most popular spot on 40 meters.
Yeah. Well, we're connected to the antenna in the sense that we're getting correct power and correct ALC, but we're not getting any nodes. This node is up in Canada.
Got to Canada recently.
Let's try something else. Oh, go away, you stupid message. I don't want to try somebody at 7070. He's going to go 7070. He's going to be loaded with. So 7095. Because the band sounds awfully dead, doesn't it, on this radio thing up?
You know, why don't you see if you pick up some voice and
Yeah,
see if
we'll
it's
do that.
alive at all.
Should be. It was good a little while ago.
Yeah. The antenna was working.
Ah, there we go. So you hear that?
Ah,
Yeah.
Oh. So that's what it sounds like.
so, yep.
And you're getting a message connected to WinLink 2K, WinLink 2000, RMS VE1YZ is the station. So what that's saying is he'll only let me stay connected for 1,440 minutes at a time.
No.
Okay. And it goes through a lot of handshake. This handshake takes a while, unfortunately, on Winmore. And it's showing that we've got 4 messages outbound, which are the 4 messages that we entered. Now this is showing basically what's happening. So what's happening, we're transmitting, it tries transmitting different configurations, digital configurations, to see which one sounds like it's getting through the best. And once it's decided on something, it will start sending the packets. And for every packet, it's gonna, you can kind of see what's happening here. You get an acknowledgement back on every packet. If the acknowledgement comes back all zeros, it means it didn't receive the packet. If it comes down with a specific error message, it means it didn't get the packet. In this case, it asked for a repeat, and so it's repeating. And it got that packet, so now it's trying the next packet, and the next packet, and it just goes like this until it's got it all set. But as I said, slow on HF, that's why you want to keep your messages smooth.
Good thing I didn't go into rebot now.
Yes, exactly. sound effect that we probably would have. No, never mind. We wouldn't have done that.
People wondering.
Now this seems to be a bug in the latest version. In previous versions, when you were sending it, it was showing you your status. You know how much of the message had been sent. Now at the beginning of the message, it all goes green instead of showing you your progress. Not much we can do about it. We have to